we will cross and change weight. Same position in relation to the partner. Outside partner, my partner is on my right side. And again, see, I am crossing my left foot behind my right foot. My left leg behind my right leg. One more time. And now, the follower is the same position. One more time, going forward, same position. And one more time going backward, same position. I try to make my step reaching and then put my weight and then I cross. Same as a leader. I try to reach. One more time, going backward. Good. And now I want to show it to you sideways so you can see. That's what my partner is. Still, even if I am the follower, my partner is on my right side. One more time. Very good. I will do it one more time. This direction, but this time I will cross and then I will make 1, 2, 3 steps and cross again. Same for the follower. I will cross and then I will do 1, 2, 3 and then this is in order to practice the idea of crossing once, not repeating like we did before. This will be, I'm dancing, I make my partner cross, I cross, and then we continue. And then, as an exercise, I repeat. For the follower, going back, and then step, and when the same position is there, we cross again, we practice that cross. One more time, for the leader, one cross, and then the walk. And again, for the follower, cross, and then walking. One more time for the leader, cross, and then walk. And again, for the follower, cross, and then walk. Good. Now to practice the cross on the other side, let's do this. One step, cross, and then 2 steps and cross. 2 steps and cross. Again, 2 steps going backward and cross. 2 steps and cross. One more time going forward, 1, 2, cross. 1, 2, cross. Doing 2 steps, we are alternating. Which one is the foot that crosses in front or behind? Something that is perfectly could happen when we dance. We could cross one way or the other. One more time going forward, cross one side, cross the other. And one more time going backward, cross one side, and then cross. We will use one of these possibilities.
When Marcelo is showing things, if he shows leader step or follower step, just try to do all of it, leaders and followers. It's a really good opportunity to just understand what the other person is doing.
Yes. And sometimes it happens that what today we are doing as a follower will be a leader next time, and so on.
Yeah, and even if you don't get the whole choreography in the other role, it's still good to do as much as possible, because it really helps when we practice by ourselves to know how to practice alone, also knowing what the other person is supposed to do.
Yes. Yes, you really understand tango when you know both choreographies of both roles.